Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by resetting the used Airtag so your iPhone can pair to it. First, remove the battery cover, press down and rotate, then pop the battery out and back in 5 times until you hear 5 distinct beeps. Once done, make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on and is updated to the latest iOS. This clears the previous owner's connection and prepares the Airtag to enter pairing mode, which is essential to avoid activation lock issues. Hold the reset Airtag close to your unlocked iPhone and wait for the pairing animation to appear. This is the simplest path to connect. Tap Connect, follow prompts to choose a name, and assign the Airtag to your Apple ID so it shows in Find My. If the automatic pop-up doesn't appear, open the Find My app, go to Items, and select Add Item to begin manual pairing. Make sure your iPhone is online so the registration to your Apple ID completes smoothly. After pairing, open Find My and confirm the Airtag is listed with a battery indicator. Then test play sound and precision finding to verify functionality. If the Airtag doesn't appear or is still linked to another account, repeat the reset sequence and try pairing again, or ask the previous owner to remove it from their Apple ID. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud on your iPhone, and then retry. These steps clear account associations and usually resolve connection errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.